To the video. We are going to solve reach a given score. In this question, we are given a value n and we have to find number of ways using which we can reach to this given n. But there's a catch. We can only use 3, 5 and 10. We can only use 3, 5 and 10 in order to make this number n. So initially in example 1, we are given n is 10. So you can form 10 using 3, 5 and 10 from two ways. Either you take two fives or take one 10 itself. Similarly, for example 2, you have to form 20, okay, and you have to return number of ways. Cool. So what can be the ways? Either you can take four fives, okay, or you can take two tens. This was pretty obvious. Then again, you can take five threes, which will yield you 15, and append a 5. And there's a one thing. You may think that okay, we have to add 5. We can add 5 at any position and they will yield us different combinations. So there is not a question. This is not a question of combinations. This is a question of possible ways, and you have to return only the unique ways and not the probable combinations, right? And similarly, you can take two 5 and one 10 in order to make 20. So you can solve this question using recursion, and thus I will use the DP over here. Okay, I will initialize the DP of size n. Cool. Now, in order to calculate, let's say a number I, okay, how can we calculate using 3, 5, and 10? Okay, there will be a number of ways to reach number I, and there will be ways to reach I minus 3. We will add it, we'll reach, we'll get solution, get the value of how we will reach the using 3 only. Similarly for 5 and 10. Let me see how I do. Okay, for I in range. First, we'll start from 3 and go till very end n dpi plus equals to dpi minus 3. What am I doing over here? So dpi minus 3 will yield us the number of ways to reach I minus 3 value, and dpi will tell us ways to reach the I value. Okay, I minus 3 and the current value will give us the value which we need to reach at. Similarly, we will repeat the same for 5 and 10 as well. 5 and 10 as well. I minus 5. And if you face any difficulty in understanding the solution or my approach, I have attached a Medium article link which I have wrote in order to solve this question. You can refer to it and understand in a better way. Also, this question is pretty straightforward and it is same as we have applied Fibonacci and counting climbing stairs or frog jump. So number of jumps. These kind of question which we if we have solved that, this question is pretty similar to those approach. And at the end, now that we have calculated all the probabilities, all the possibilities, okay, I will return the last number since I formed the DP bottom up. And okay, why? Okay, yeah, sorry. So there will be a case, right? If DP 0, we have to form 0. In that case, we have one way. You have nothing to form, you can form, right? Yeah. This time it does the job. It does the job pretty effortlessly, you can see. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed it and learned a new concept. Thank you. Have a nice day.